Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Ghost Touch problem on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. First, remove the screen protector or case. A screen protector that goes over the bezels can cause the screen to become unresponsive or register touches randomly. Ghost Touch makes the tablet tap in random spots, so ensure your screen protector is applied perfectly on the screen and bezels. Next, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth to remove debris, moisture, or fingerprints. As a last resort, update your software to fix any Ghost Touch issues. Open Settings, scroll down to About Tablet, tap System Update, and it checks automatically. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to keep up with the latest software. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.